In this video, we're going to discuss trigonometric functions and its application in some physical world examples. Okay, so first of all, what are the basic trigonometric functions? Okay, so we have here sine function, cosine, and then tangent. Okay, so those are the three most commonly used trigonometric functions. Okay, so first, what is sine? Let's say, for example, we have here a right triangle. This right triangle has sides A, B, and C. Okay, let this be the angle theta. Okay, theta is our angle. Okay, and what is sine theta? Let us write this one as sine theta. Okay, sine theta, that is the opposite side over the hypotenuse, that will be B over C. Cosine theta will be the adjacent side over C, is A over C, and tangent theta is opposite over the adjacent side, that will be B over A. Okay, so here, if you know what the angle is, if you know what A is, you want to know what B is, then you can simply use this formula. Okay, just plug this one in the calculator, tangent theta, you multiply that to A, then you will get what the length of B is. Okay, so let's try some examples. Suppose we have here a building, and here's the sun. Okay, and of course there's a shadow. Okay, let's say this is the direction of the shadow. Let's say this is the sun, and here is the shadow. So this is the sun's rays, and this is the shadow. Okay, suppose we want to know how high the building is. Okay, we want to know how high the building is without measuring the actual building itself, okay, but simply using some trigonometric functions. Okay, let's say that you find a way to know what the angle theta here, and let's say you measured from this position to the bottom of the building here some distance. Okay, by using the trigonometric functions, you will know how high the building is. Okay, suppose that this length, that the shadow is about 67.2 meters, and let's say that the angle theta is about 50.0 degrees. Okay, I want to know how high the building is. Let's call this one H of the building, HB. Okay, let's say this is the length of the shadow. Let's call that LS. Okay, how high the building is. So in this case, it's just like the same triangle before, wherein the length of the shadow will be our A, the height of the building will be B, and of course the angle theta is the same as theta. So in this scenario, what will be the most useful equation from these three that we're going to use? Definitely we're going to use the tangent theta for us to know what B is, or in this case that would be H of B, the height of the building. Okay, we're going to use this one. Let's write this one as tan theta is equals to B is H sub B over L sub S. Okay, so to get H sub B, that would be L sub S times the tangent of theta. Okay, so we know what L sub S is. That is 67.2 meters. If we multiply that to tangent theta, that would be tangent of 50 degrees or 50.0 degrees. And you will see that the answer is about 80 meters. So this will be the height of the building. Okay, the building is about 80 meters high.